to become the ambassador. I'm actually the ambassador, two ambassadors I have, or in fact, I can say a lot of ambassador titles I have, but two I'm really proud of. One is I'm the Indian ambassador at the International Teachers Association. So we have an International Teachers Association where we have approximately 50 to 80,000 teachers registered worldwide. Now, these are all members, but to be the ambassador, you have to represent your country. So you are actually representing your country on an international platform. So we have our meetings, we have our training sessions, etc. So that's one ambassadorship I'm really very proud, because I interact with teachers from Tanzania, from Ghana, from Zambia, from Australia, from New Zealand, etc. So we meet once in 3 months. We have a very vibrant WhatsApp group. We have a very energetic, the chairman is Mr. Peter, who's also a teacher still. So very energetic group is there. And we actually discuss a lot of ideas. So that's one title I'm very proud of, that, and I'm there now since the last 6 years as the Indian ambassador. The second ambassador, I would say, is the SDG, Sustainable Development Goal. So I actually presented a paper, I think it was in 2020 during the pandemic. It was virtual. United Nations had asked teachers to submit a paper, and I basically wanted to talk about girls, girl child, because I have 2 daughters, and everyone said, okay, Mary, you have 2 daughters, and I always felt daughters are a blessing. So I actually presented a paper where daughters are the creators of the next generation. And there I got the title, they bestowed the title to me that, you are the SDG ambassador of India. So I'm one of we have a lot of SDG ambassadors in India. So I'm one of the SDG ambassadors. Above that, I feel that, my one more title that I say, I'm the ambassador of the Indian women. I represent the Indian women that, nothing is impossible with us. So I manage my home, I manage my school, I manage my school assignments, interacting with teachers, with facilitators, with learners. Plus, I manage a lot of things otherwise, I write books. I still write books. So I have a lot of books that are published online and bestsellers for that matter. So I think